So Ma'am Maylene, is that you?
Yes, Doc Leah.
Yeah.
Yes.
So until now, you're working there in the hospital?
No, I am now a layman. A
But
laywoman.
in Saudi, you're still in Saudi or here in the Philippines na?
No, I am here in the Philippines now. I am working as a laywoman in the church.
In the
Your signal,
can
Doc, is not
minister alay magandang
Yes, and I wish that I can minister also in PGMP. I try, and then I wish, because I heard that we can there sharing we
Ayan,
can
narinig nyo na ako.
do a Bible study in the PGMP on the prison also, and we can deal with the prisoners people. So now I have an idea, and I wish, because I like to minister inside the prisons people. Clea, your signal, I think, is not stable. It's not good.
May mga experiences pa ba kayo?
Opo, Doc Leah.
Working as plane.
Ayun.
Yes po, Sir Nico.
Ako po ay nagkaroon na ng ministry po sa BGMP nung bago po ako matapos sa aking missionary mission. Opo. Meron po akong mga 70 person pataas na Bible student po sa BGMP sa Ormoc area po.
Ka po ba?
Doc? Medyo mahina po signal mo, Doc.
Okay. Mahina signal.
Nawala yung signal eh, Doc.
Okay, thank you, Dr. Leah. She's done for today. We'll wait for another professor.